All right, so what's your name and why you go to Coastal?
My name is Kayla, and for biology.
My name is Natasha, and I'm here to major in biology.
I'm Kennedy Williams. I'm a hospitality major here at Coastal. I was on the women's basketball team last year. Not now. That's pretty much it.
I'm Brandon Martin. I'm on the men's basketball team here, communications major, sports broadcasting.
How long have y'all two been together?
3 years.
3 years.
About a year.
Yeah.
A year on January 1st, New Year's. I'm nervous now. Put me on the spot. Good gosh.
What is his favorite color?
I think it's red. He really doesn't have a favorite color. We're gonna put black. No, we're gonna do red.
Alright.
Okay. I really don't know.
What's her favorite food?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I know she loves coffee.
What is his favorite food?
He's fat, so all food. But really, crab legs
I can see
and his mom's spaghetti.
Where was y'all's first date?
Movie theater.
Okay. So you knew that one.
Yeah, I
You
knew that one.
right off the top. Where was y'all's first date?
Panera bread.
Who kissed who first?
I kissed him first.
Oh.
Well, he had tried before and I didn't let him.
Oh, okay.
It was very awkward, like awkward first kiss. But I kissed her downtown Augusta for her birthday party.
Okay. Who said I love you first?
Ooh, I think it was more mutual than anything. That's a long time ago. I'm gonna say I did it first.
At this very moment, is he wearing boxers or briefs?
Bruce.
What features does she love most about you?
She loved my long hair. She always tells me to grow back.
What is his best feature?
You mean like
Like, it could be all
personality
about
trait
her.
or like physical?
You know what? Another good question. What features do you love most about her?
I love when she gets mad. It's kind of cute when she gets mad. I mean, I try to avoid it, but she just...
I never heard that before.
She gets,
I never heard
like,
that
when she
answer
gets
before.
mad, it's cute because, like, her nose shrivels up and stuff, and it's like... And then, like, you can't talk to her. You have to leave her alone when she's mad. And then finally she comes back, and then she's fine.
You ever make her mad on purpose just to see it?
I try not to, because when she gets mad, it's like, don't mess with her.
What is your favorite food?
Coffee.
All right. What is your favorite food?
Steak.
I put crab legs in your mom's spaghetti.
That's a great answer.
I know,
actually.
you like
okay.
both.
Yeah, that can work. That can work.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
Red.
Oh, yeah.
Where was your first date?
Movie theater.
Okay. Where was your first date?
Really?
Oh, where was it? Oh, that's bad. Oh, Panera bread.
Yeah.
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 Who kissed who first?
Ooh, okay. She kissed me first. It was really awkward.
Because she said the same thing. She said it was awkward. Like,
Yeah.
It was, like, probably, like, one of my first kiss, actually.
Me. I definitely kissed her.
No, you
first.
didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You tried.
No.
I kissed him.
No.
You tried no and let you, and then whenever you like, we always
I went in for it.
We play wrestle.
And I got it.
Well, I did it.
Oh, whatever. Okay.
I did it.
Who said I love you first?
I did. No, you didn't.
Well, okay, so when
I
did
don't
you
know
say
that.
it? When did you say
It was
it?
whenever she was dating somebody else.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Nah.
And
She
I
said
texted
it
her a long
first.
message.
I remember that now.
Okay, at this very moment, are you wearing boxers or briefs?
Briefs.
Okay, what features do you think she liked most about you?
My angerness? I don't know.
Oh wow, you reveal your answer?
When she gets mad.
All right, in your opinion, what is your best feature?
My smile.
Ah!
How's your foot?
Uh,
Hey.
I'm gonna put your
That's
butt.
awesome. My butt. Oh, okay.
What feature about her do you love the most?
She's slow.
She's slow.
It's
Okay.
like funny type slow.
Okay.
I guess you could say.
Reveal what she said.